In this activity, I want you to read the story of Bertha Mason as it's told to us by Edward Rochester. This is the section where he explains to Jane Eyre who Bertha Mason is after Bertha Mason has been discovered before the wedding between Jane and Mr. Rochester. So in this story, what I want you to do is underline what you have learned about Bertha Mason Rochester's character. So I've hyphenated or put a slash here. She's always called Bertha Mason, but she's actually Bertha Rochester after the marriage. And then I want you to circle the adjectives to describe Bertha. So when you're reading, if you find out a snippet of her background story, where he met her, who her relatives are, those sorts of things, underline it. If you find an adjective or a symbol or metaphor used to describe her, I'd like you to circle it. And you'll notice the document is taken from this chapter in the novel, and it's been cut a little bit, and I've used ellipsis where I've cut it out, but it's to help you get an understanding of the background story of Bertha Mason from Mr. Rochester's perspective. You certainly have the interjections and the values of Jane Eyre throughout, so you do also learn what Jane will grow and understand about Mr. Rochester and Bertha Mason, and ultimately what her own values are.